Ooh, another Harley. My seat bolts will be here on Monday. Been doing all this hardcore riding with that, so fuck.
I'm back on the road after that gas station fiasco bullshit. So today I'm going to talk about how much motorcycles help people, right? That's a hard topic, I think, because a lot of people don't talk about it. They just go, oh yeah, motorcycles clear heads and then they're ride like douchebags, that's it. Let me get the other side of this, right? So, I talk a lot. I'm very extroverted now. I like going out in public and doing things. That is a total 180 from what I was in high school. I was very introverted. I think I said the right one earlier. I'm extroverted now, I'm not introverted. I was very introverted, didn't want to do shit. I just wanted to play video games, could not talk to anybody. Holy shit, talking to women was hard as well. Not so much no more. I just had to find ones that I'm comfortable talking to. So maybe I'm still a little bit kind of dumb in that department, but at the same point, name a guy that ain't. And if they tell you they aren't, they're fucking lying to you. I think motovlogging might have helped a little bit, because now I can talk a lot better. I used to stutter like hell, and now I no longer stutter like hell. And I love that, so I can hold conversations without going, you know? I still talk kind of fast here and there when I shouldn't. I don't always enunciate my words properly. I'm working on that. But yeah, I think having to talk to people about this bike, this is the first bike I bought, it's gone through a lot of modification periods, so it's not the way it was when I got it. But since I got it in 2019 and people constantly like, dude, what's that bike? What's those handlebars? Blah, 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 wanting to talk bikes. I've figured out how to talk better, you know? That was a cop. Hopefully I was, okay, I was not speeding. I'm in third gear too, it's kind of bubbling along. But anyway, I got the Honda. I started meeting people because they were like, whoa, sport bike. And they wanted to ride because they also had sport bikes. Because for some reason, a lot of old guys have put it in people's heads that if a Harley talks to a sport bike, it's like taboo, which is dumb. Because I now own 2 Harleys and a sport bike, and will be getting another sport bike at some point in my life. So I will have a 50-50 split. I met Mackinac Rider because of motorcycles. I met fucking Kawayama because of motorcycles. I have met so many people because of motorcycles. I have met like, okay, all but like 4 or 5 people I have met because of motorcycles. And those 4 or 5 people are people I went to school with in high school. And even then I reconnected with some of them because of motorcycles. Motorcycles help so much shit. Like, it's like classic cars. Yeah, you can have like a modern car and everything. No one's gonna talk to you about your fucking Volkswagen Passat. But if you pull up in a 1970s GTL, they're going to talk to you. So they're just going to force you into conversation more often. That's exactly what motorcycles do. They force you into conversation more often. So on the mental health side of things, do you know how cool it is to burn down a tank of gas? And you feel better when you're done. Because you're out here in the wind. Don't get me wrong, I talk while I ride. No matter if there's a camera on or not, I will talk to myself. Not like this kind of extent, but I still talk to myself. And I exercise so many demons that I have from the day, or from just life in general, on any of these rides. Sometimes I'll just throw on music and I'll bomb down the highway 90 mile an hour on this thing cutting up traffic, and it's all I think about is my next move. That's what helps a lot of people, because it puts them in the here and now, so they're not thinking about what's going on. Do I understand that riding a bike isn't the same as going to, like, say, therapy or talking to people about it? Oh yeah, 100%. But at the same point, what's more accessible? I'm going to go throw a leg over my bike and take it down the road for a little bit, or hey brother, can you talk for a little bit? It's gonna get deep. And or, hey therapist, when's your next appointment? How much does it cost for a session, you know? I can put 20 bucks in my gas tank here, ride from Muskegon down to Holland and back, taking highway down there, or highway back even, and taking a back road one way or the other. And I will feel instantly better when I get home and put this bike back on the kickstand and go inside. So that's the second part here. I don't really have skills, so it's just gonna be like a Venn diagram, you know? And I can't do a circle with my hands, so you gotta have to bear with me there. So on the left side of this Venn diagram, you're gonna have forced conversations or more conversations. On the right hand side, you're gonna have mental health. And in the middle of this, you're gonna have motorcycles helping socially. So I guess, do you agree with what I said in any of this? Am I just rambling for nothing and no one's gonna like care about any of this because they're still gonna think that motorcyclists are dickheads or something because they saw one video on Instagram or TikTok where a guy with a patch fucking didn't let someone pass or got angry at something, or they saw sport bikes cutting up at 150 mile an hour. But hopefully y'all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what you think, agree, disagree, points you want to add, your own personal experiences, I don't know. Anyway, catch y'all in the next one. Damn son, we're both compensating.